China forwarding service, there is a Chinese saying, compare goods from 3 different suppliers. This means you should at least compare 3 freight forwarding companies before deciding which China forwarding service provider to choose. How to filter China forwarding service. Compare prices, compare services, compare sources, and finally compare delivery speed. Throughout the process, you can experience the advantages of each company and then decide who to cooperate with. You can start with a small trial order first. If the service meets your expectations, you can continue to develop a deeper long-term partnership. Compare prices, provide the freight forwarding company with details about your product type, cargo value, and destination, and ask them to provide a quotation. Then you can evaluate whether they offer a reasonable logistics solution for you. Compare services. Whether you choose sea freight, air freight, or railway transportation, you should check whether the freight forwarding company can provide services including cargo pickup, booking, warehousing, transit, container consolidation and deconsolidation, freight settlement, customs declaration, inspection services, insurance, short distance transportation, truck delivery, container pickup, cargo collection, warehouse value-added services, cargo handling, integrated logistics projects, and logistics solution planning. You can also use your own experience to propose the services you need and see whether the freight forwarder can provide professional answers. This can help you judge whether they are truly experienced and professional. Once you have cooperated with Sunny Worldwide Logistics for just one shipment, you will experience the value of thinking from the perspective of the shipper and caring more about your cargo than the owner themselves. In most cases, you will not need to look for a second China forwarding service provider. Compare resources. The quality of a China forwarding service ultimately depends on the resources and capabilities of the freight forwarding company. The first thing to check is their qualifications. Many small companies with limited qualifications may not have the necessary certifications. You must verify the qualifications of the company that signs the contract with you. If the freight forwarding company signing the contract is different from the company providing the qualification documents, there may be certain risks involved. See timeliness. If resources are abundant and services are timely, then timeliness is definitely not a problem, and timeliness must be written into the contract. For nearly 30 years, Sunny Worldwide Logistics has never been late. Unless there is a natural disaster or force majeure event, our on-time delivery rate is 99%. Please contact our sales staff. We are one of the best China forwarding service companies. If you are not in China, you can also visit our company via live video. We look forward to your inquiry.